Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to record this video. This will be on my Android mobile phone, just to talk about a free open source application. It's called NewPipe. As you can see here, this is the icon for NewPipe, and just going to show you how this application works, the benefits of this application, the look and feel of the application itself, and best of all, it's free. This is, you can download this directly from its website, which I will show you in this video. Also, I will provide a link for you to find the web page so you can check it out for yourself. This is for Android mobile phones only. I don't know anything about Apple iPhones. I have no idea. As you can hear from my accent here, I am not Indian. A lot of people, when they look up anything that's free open source, whether it's looking for a movie streaming service or video players, music players, video editing, photo editing, you'll usually find a lot of videos that are in Hindi, or a lot of people from India that are doing these videos. So not to try to sound like a stereotype or anything. I like Indian folks. I actually liked a nice young Indian girl, but sadly it didn't go anywhere. Anyway, so let's move on here. Just gonna close this out, and this is the website here. As you can see, HTTPS, always keep an eye out for it so that you know that this is a secure connection. It's verified by LatinChris. So this is the website, NewPipe, the lightweight YouTube experience for Android. You can also get this on F-Droid. If you don't know what F-Droid is, it's like a Play Store, like Google Play Store, but this is more on the open source level. You can check out F-Droid if you want to. I'm just going to keep scrolling on this page. I'll read along. Do you like watching videos on YouTube but looking for a simple app to do that? NewPipe has been created with the purpose of getting the original YouTube experience on your smartphone without annoying ads and questionable permissions, which a lot of people prefer to use an application that doesn't really require much permissions. I'm those type of people that I don't like a third-party app, having too much access on my phone, such as my contacts, my video, my mic, my internal um, internal flash memory or SD card. I don't like when it scans or then it sends it off to a third party that we don't know about. But this one sounds promising. Um, the application is open source and you can check it out at GitHub. So you can just tap on that link and it'll take you there. Main features, it's lightweight, downloads, extended privacy. It has a background player, pop-up player. You can import, export subscriptions from YouTube. You can put bookmarks and history. This is what other people think. It's the comments. It says one of the most used apps on my phone. Such a great app. It is probably the app I use most on my phone. You really do have a quality app, which is a rarity. NewPipe is one of the best applications on mobile today. So these are just opinions from people who have used it. Download NewPipe. So as of this recording, this is the version, which is 0.16.1. This is from F-Droid. If you have this application, you can download it from there, or you can get the APK file on GitHub. Uh, if you install F-Droid, says you get notification updates. So anyway, moving on. NewPipe is free and open source. Your advantages: quick help when you have a problem. Nobody's ever had one. Dozens of people bring NewPipe forward and translate it into 57 languages. You can check the source code on GitHub and contribute to NewPipe. NewPipe is covered by the GPL 3.0 license. Get NewPipe from F-Droid and we guarantee that it is a generated from the source code. And best of all, NewPipe is available for free. It says support NewPipe. Why NewPipe is free? We love what we are doing. NewPipe is powered by a growing community. Our goal is to make the internet a more free place and open it for everyone. Your donation covered a majority of our costs. And F-Droid, WebLate, Century, and other companies offer their services to open source projects for free. So this is their website for NewPipe. So on to the application itself, which I will be doing here. This is the NewPipe application. As you can see, the interface, the look and feel is closely similar to the YouTube app that you normally would use on your phone. So this is just on the side here, NewPipe, YouTube. This is also lets you access SoundCloud and Media CCC, but this is beta. It's just in the testing right now. We're mostly focusing on the purpose of usage, which is from YouTube. So you can go to the trending page, closely resembles on the trending. You can import, export subscriptions and bookmark playlists. This is a bookmark of music I have here. Just a little sample there. So you can especially download these videos. So I'll give you an example. One video here. Let's see. My Curse alternative version, kill switch engage. So you can, on the bottom left corner, this icon says add to. You can add it. You can create a playlist within this application itself. Background, you can play this music in the background, even with the screen off. Pop-up is the little mini window. You can have a little mini window and you can do other things while it's playing. And this is the download button. So when you hit download, file name, you can have two selections, video or audio. This doesn't give you MP3 files because there's an issue that they have. They need to work that out. So you can only get it in the M4A file at 128 kilobits per second. Video file, you can, obviously this is just a music one. The resolutions, there are higher choice resolutions like 720 and 1080p. It really depends on your phone. I'm using the Samsung J7. It's kind of dated now. It's been about a few years since I've been using it. So anyway, just to give you a preview of that. So just navigating a little boring, you want to check out the settings here. So video and audio. Default resolution, you can choose, whatever resolution you like. It's really dependent on the type of phone you have. So you can just change that. Default resolution for pop-up. You can also you have a choice of showing higher resolutions. Of course, it depends on which device you're using that supports it. Default video formats, audio formats, you have the choice of using an external player, but may not offer some of the resolutions. Behavior, minimize on app switch, and so on. So you have a lot of settings and tweaking here on the video and audio portion. Download, you can select the path, folders, and so on. Appearance, so you can choose a theme between light theme, dark theme, or black. I'll just stick with dark because I like it that way. And other settings here, you can play with history and cache if you want that there. Content, so you can choose which country you want the content to appear by default. You can toggle between age restricted content and so on. Updates, since I will leave this on by default so that you get a notification whenever you need an update on this app. Always keep it updated and for it to be working. So that's pretty much NewPipe in a nutshell. It's very good. I like it. I've been using it for over a year now. Haven't had any problems. Very little problems, if anything. And the people that are behind this, they definitely are making sure that this application continues to be better and improve. So there is a lot of support here. So that's great. It's a free and open source player that I would recommend for people who have Android phones. Me personally, I would rather not give Google, $10 to use their YouTube Red service just for these basic things that we should have anyway. So I'm giving you guys an alternative to use, which is far better in my opinion. And you don't have to see any annoying ads on the videos as they play. So that's a convenience that you get out of this application. Again, I like it. It's my go-to app for everything YouTube, and so I hope you like what you see. Give it a thumbs up so it can appear on the listings about this app so that more people are aware of it and can check this app out and give more support if anything, whether it's to improve the application or to have more attention. So this is a totally legit app. You will not get any malware from it. I have had no issues on this phone anyway. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, guys, and let me know what you think.